Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my friend. This is my unit 7. Sunday, 5 July 2026. Review. Good night. G-O-O-D-N-I-G-H-T. Good night. Good afternoon. G-O-O-D-A-F-T-N-I-N-N-O-O-N. Good afternoon. Good morning. G-O-O-D-M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Good morning. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Away. A-W-A-K-E. Away. D-A-Y. Day. Night. N-I-G-A-T. Night. Unit 7. Day and night. Night gown. Night gown. Night gown. Night gown. Night gown. Night gown. N-I-G-A-T. G-O-W-N. Night gown មានន័យថាសំពត់លាកពេលយប់លាកពេលយើងគេងណាបងប្អូនលាកប្រុសក៏បានស្រីក៏បាន Pajamas 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 មានន័យថាអាវមួយខោមួយដេកពេលយប់ដែរ Sentences. She is wearing a nightgown. They are wearing pajamas. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye my friend. See you Monday. Bye bye.